So this is Freedom Friday demo. So we're going to install Umbraco with Visual Studio Code where I don't have IIS Express already installed. So let's just go through the steps. So we're going to grab the zip from our Umbraco. Probably shoved it here. It's just Chrome being Chrome, but it seems like. So let's, just extract it all for now. So whilst this is unzipping, we can just confirm that IIS Express is not installed. We can get Visual Studio Code ready. So we're going to open the folder that we want to run. So we're going to select this folder. I'm going to wait until it's finished unzipping. Okay, so we're good. So now if I do F1 and then IIS start website, we get this prompt. Couldn't find IIS Express at a kind of program file's default location. So we got an option, yes please, would you like us to install it, or no thanks. So if we click no thanks, for now it just opens a browser directly to IIS Express, and you can go off and download it yourself. Next thing we can do is if we run it again and say yes this time. So what this is going to do is going to go and download the installer in the background and then install IIS Express automatically for us. So let's watch. So here, this is the installer going through. We retrieved the file pretty quick. Once it's done, we should get a confirmation at the top. Okay, so now it's finished. We can say that IIS Express has been successfully installed and is ready to use. So if we do F1, IIS start website, and so now it's obviously opened up localhost. I've got IIS Express running down in the task tray for me, and everything goes okay. We should see the Umbraco installer. Perfect. So there we go. We can just whiz through the installer. 3, 4. Install. Just make sure everything works okay. So we're almost done. The database has been added. The starter kit is getting installed and added, and the content nodes have been created. We're nearly done, and then we should be able to see the Umbraco back office in a moment. Okay, so finally done. Probably a little bit slower than normal because we're in a Hyper-V VM. And here we are. We've got the new lovely 7.8 tours. And that is how to install Umbraco with Visual Studio Code and IIS Express extension without IIS Express already installed. So that's my Freedom Friday so far, and I'm going to just carry on doing some more Visual Studio Code improvements.